Similar triangles, question 6. Determine x to two decimal places. Here we have given a figure which has a big right triangle, PQR, and then a small two, in fact, right triangles, PSQ and RSQ, right? In this we are given two sides, QR and PS. We need to find the side X and Y. I'd like you to copy this question and do it on your own, okay? And then look into my solution. Well, this question is kind of different from the previous ones, since you need to calculate the value from two triangles which don't really look very similar, right? So you have to figure out how are they similar. It's very interesting. And we do have another communication thinking problem based on this in question number 8. So have a look at that also. Now let's solve this. Now since triangle PQR is the right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find y, correct? Now here we see hypotenuse is 10, one of the sides is 8, the other one is y. So we can find y using Pythagorean theorem, correct? So we know y square plus 8 square equals to 10 square. Right? So from here we can get the value of y. So y is equals to 10 square is 100 minus 8 square is 64 square root. Right? Let me write y square first and then we will square root it, correct? So let's use the calculator to find the answer. So it's 100 minus 64, which gives us 36, and when we do square root of 36 we get 6 as our answer. So y is equals to 6. So that is the first value which we can find from here. Okay. Now to find x, we can use properties of similar triangles. Now which triangles are similar? Let's consider the triangle PQS and triangle. So we consider PQS, the small one, then triangle PRQ. I will also give you a reason why I wrote like this. Now if you consider these two triangles, PQS, that means we are considering this triangle. Let me shade this. And PRQ is a big triangle, right? So you see angle P is common. You see angle P is common. So we say angle P is equals to angle P. They are common angles. And we also see that angle S is 90 degrees. That means angle PSQ is equals to angle PQR. And both are equals to 90 degrees. You see that? So PSQ and PQR are equal. These two angles are equal and they are equals to 90 degrees. And therefore, we know that these two triangles are similar. And therefore, we can write triangle PQS is similar to triangle PRQ from the property of angle. So if two angles are same, the triangles are similar. Of course, the third has to be equal, right? So that's what we figured out. So that also means from here that this angle, let me write two dots here, is equals to this angle, correct? Now, since these two triangles are similar, we can write ratios of their sides, which should be constant and equal, correct? So now let's figure out which side are given to us. So we are given this side, so we'll consider the side opposite to angle P. So side opposite to angle P is which one? In the small triangle, it is SQ. And in the big triangle, it is RQ, which is 8, right? Now, the other side is opposite to the right triangle. So in the 90 degrees opposite, it is y, which we calculate as 6, correct? So in the small triangle, it is 6 and side opposite to Q in the big triangle is 10. Correct? Now the third side is side opposite to these little dots. So that is PS over PS in the small triangle and over PR in the big triangle. No, the side opposite to this will be in the big triangle as 6. 6, correct? So side opposite to the third angle in the small triangle is PS from here to here, and side opposite that angle is equals to this angle in the big, so it is equals to 6. Do you see that? Now we can use these relations to find our sides. So we only want to find x, so we'll find what PS is. So from here, we can cross multiply and find what PS is. So PS is equals to 6 times 6, 36. Let me write 6 times 6 over 10, which is 36 over 10, which is 3.6, right? We need to find the value of x. X is equals to 10, the total side, minus PS, which is 10 minus 3.6, right? And there we get 10 minus 3.6 is 6.4 units. Correct? So that is how we get the value of x. Now we can write down our answer, and our answer is, we have to write answer to 2 decimal places. Important, right? So we get x is equals to 6.40 and y is equals to 6.00. So that is the answer for this question. Thank you.